Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mike. I'm the founder and CEO of SweetDash. This video is just one in a series of many videos that will be highlighting both new and current features. Be sure that you're subscribed on YouTube and following us on all social media to get the latest videos and updates about new and existing features. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to walk you guys through the new Sales Funnel Builder functionality. This video won't be a complete tutorial, but just to help you get started. For complete details, the documentation will be the place where you'd want to keep an eye out because it will be changing and evolving over the next weeks and months. As of right now, the Sales Funnel Builder is available to front end, we call it, to provide landing pages and sales funnels for LMS products. So what you would do is go to the LMS product level. See, I'm here at the LMS list of products, and we'll go down to this one. This is a product that contains 2 courses. I'm going to click inside this product, and now I will see Sales Funnel Builder here. Configure your sales funnel, and also in the product pricing, we'll see a new option there called paid. Okay. Now when you first see this, if you don't have the Prime bundle, you will see a screen like this, which will tell you, sorry, you don't have access to this feature. And then we'll just need to add the Prime bundle to access the configuration settings of the Sales Funnel Builder. And just a side note, you'll only see these new options if you are the super admin. And the purpose of this is to protect white label in case you're using this as a reseller or with clients. So regular admins or any other roles will not even see this option, and in the product pricing they won't even see the paid option. They won't see any of this. You get to see it just to know that it is available to you. So let me go ahead and add the Prime bundle here and we'll get started. Okay, so I've added the Prime bundle. I'm back here on the product level and I see Sales Funnel Builder. I'm going to click Sales Funnel Builder. And then I'm presented with the first choice, which is, do I want to use a 3-step funnel or a 2-step funnel? So it's really pretty simple. A 3-step funnel gives you a landing page, a checkout page, which you can configure, and a thank you page. Okay. The 2-step funnel will eliminate the checkout page so that you have both the what we call the offer block and the checkout block on the landing page, and then upon successful checkout you'll move right to the thank you page, and then we'll talk about the start experience here in just a second. But let's just go with a 3-step funnel. That's the most likely funnel you'll use for a standalone sales page. The 2-step funnel is somewhat designed for those who would like to embed on your website. So you could take this 2-step funnel, and you'll see shortly how you can get an embed code, embed this on your website, and then check people out directly from the website so that everything happens. You get the thank you page, and it's a smaller and shorter journey to get them through. But here on the 3-step funnel, let's start here. So we'll go to the landing page, and this is just some sample content for a cinematography bundle. Here's a new block we call the offer block. Here's where you'll set up, okay, here, this is the title of what I'm offering. Here's some bullet points. And I want to use this language for getting access. You can use multiple offer blocks in a squeeze page if you'd like. If you want to make this very long and have multiple offer blocks on the way down the squeeze page so that every time you click it, it will slide down or move to the next step. This is what we call the checkout block. And this is where you'll actually collect the first name, last name, and email address, which is the minimum standard of what we're going to collect here. This is an early version, so as of now, we're going to be onboarding people, unknown contacts and known contacts. But this is the only information you'll be collecting at this point. Also, it keeps the friction low so we can move them directly in through the sales funnel. Okay, so this is the landing page, and you'll see here you can go to link embed, and you can get an embed code, you can get a direct link here, and you can even make a friendly URL like I've done here for cinematography bundle. So this is your white label URL with your choice of friendly URL, and that will, in a non-logged browser, will show this page and offer this as an onboarding option. Okay, so you'll also notice that these options are familiar from kickoff forms. In addition, you'll have some onboarding options. So you'll have the ability to decide, am I going to onboard this person as a client or some other role? However, if you do decide that you're going to charge for this product and use this landing page, this sales funnel to collect money for this product, this LMS product, which can contain one or more courses, you will be required to use client, and that's explained here in this note, okay? And then you can set automations for the client or for whatever role is selected here for unknown targets, right? So the target is the person who's completing the form, coming through the sales funnel. If their email address is unknown to your CRM, we've never seen it before, we bring them in as what we call an unknown target. So then you'll see here for unknowns, we're setting the role and we're assigning automations for them. Now, if they are known, meaning their email address is known to your CRM and we know who this person is, then we look at what their role is and we allow you to set automations individually based on the known target's role. So even staff members you can onboard through an LMS product and be very selective about how you want to automate their experience based on, are they just a teammate, are they an office manager, are they an admin? We can move them through this funnel uniquely based on what level they are, what role they are inside your staff, and then of course for client and prospect as well. Okay, so a very powerful onboarding automation setup here based on unknown and known targets, and then when they are known, you can uniquely provide a sales funnel experience automated based on their role. Okay, and then here on the styling options, these help you style the page and get the background color or set patterns and textures. You can use custom JS and CSS. So those are the options here for the landing page, and let's just do a quick preview so we can see what this might look like. So here's the way the landing page would look, and then you see a checkout page and then a thank you page. Okay, so these are very basic, just sample data here, and let's go back to the editor. Okay, so now if I go to the checkout page, I get some similar options here. The onboarding will stay the same, and the thank you page same here as well. Now the start experience. So this basically gives you the option to stay with your standard start experience, which is always just the start page. So if you have an unknown target that completes, they get sent the portal access invitation, and they click the link, they complete their password, and they enter your portal. The normal standard behavior is they are directed to the dashboard, or if you have a start page set up, they are directed to the start page based on their circle affiliation or individual assignment. Okay? But we also give you the power here to say, well, they are purchasing or accessing this LMS course product. So in that sense, I want to move them directly to the courses that they just accepted and accepted my offer for. So we want to say, in this case, I want to direct them on their first login to the courses. And then subsequently, after that, forever we'll go back to the start page behavior that is normal. So this allows you to say, one time I want to take them to those courses, but then afterwards I have another experience set up for them, another start experience that will be based on start page behavior. And in a similar way, you have this option to create a custom page, say for example, that will welcome them to this course or this product or set of courses. And you say, okay, I'm going to create a portal page. It's going to be designed just for this as a welcome page for that purchase. And in this case, you said custom page, and you can select the portal page here. And then after that one time where they land on that welcome that you custom designed for them, then it will revert subsequently back to the start page behavior, which will allow you to then control their start experience based on the standard start page logic behavior. Okay? So this is the complete funnel. So you start with a funnel strategy where you can choose between these two options. And again, if you use a two-step funnel, on the landing page you're going to have an offer block and a checkout block. If you use a three-step funnel, only your offer block will go on the landing page and the checkout block will go on the checkout page. The thank you page has no special blocks, just content saying thank you. And then you can define a start experience based on what we just discussed. So you have your landing page, checkout page, thank you page, and start experience. One other thing that I want to make sure we talk about is back on the product level, okay, you'll see notifications. So what you can set is the portal access invitation, which is sent to unknown targets. These people they've not in your CRM. They need to set their password. They need to enter. And then we have the start experience email. This is sent to known targets. So these are people that are already in your CRM. They're already in your portal, say for example, but they have found their way to your sales funnel landing page and they want to purchase this LMS product in this example. They do that, or they accept your offer, and then instead of the normal email where it sends them a registration link where they have to set their password and all that, this is the start experience email, which is a little bit different. You can customize it per LMS product in this case so that it's very unique, and it just sends them the start experience link, which back to the funnel builder. That link will follow what you set here in the start experience. Okay, one more thing to cover. In the product pricing, you'll see here is where you will define, is this going to be a free access, and are you using this LMS product in this example to attract people into your portal, and it's just going to be free. It's kind of maybe a loss leader for you. So you can set it for free, which is clearly has no real options. It also gives you more freedom in the role selection for unknown targets. You don't have to choose client. You can choose any role, prospect or client, and also staff. Actually, any staff role you can on. So for example, if you were onboarding staff members through this, or maybe like new freelancers or people that you wanted to bring in on the staff side, we don't charge. We're not setting up right now to make that a paid onboarding because they're members of your company. So you'll choose free, and that'll give you the ability to choose staff members for unknown targets. But if you choose paid, as we discussed, you'll need to use the client role for unknown targets, and then you'll set all your this is of course test data, but you'll set say cinematography bundle here. You can use placeholders so that the invoices will have first and last name, and then you'll set your gateway and your pricing, and you can say a one-time payment like this and a subscription payment if you want that as well. So this works very much like paid portal access, except it's limiting. It's called paid product access, and based on the payment of this invoice, they will be able to access the product. If they don't pay, they won't be able to access the product. So coming next in the iteration of this particular feature will be the ability to pay directly on the landing page or the checkout page, literally entering the credit card on that front end non-logged landing page functionality, and everything is already taken care of there. But for now, the way it works is they will register, they will be sent a link, and then they will need to pay an invoice before they are able to access this particular product. So they're not locked from the portal in general, but just the product. And then you'll also see here on the owner's side, you can still grant free product access based on whatever you decide. So you can say, I just want to add somebody here, and you can choose from all the options. It will bypass all the paid options. And then here is where you'll see all the owners who come through your paid portal. If you're set up as paid, they will appear here. And of course, this is read only because it only will be returning those who went through that funnel. Okay, so that pretty much details most of the features, how they are configured. So to be clear, you'll use this sales funnel builder, which will create a non-logged URL that you can run targets through. Upon successful completion of the checkout, they will be given access to this LMS product. And in this case, this product contains 2 courses. It can contain 10 courses. It can contain 1 course. You can sell a bundle of courses or just a single course inside a product. And when they successfully complete checkout through the sales funnel builder, they'll automatically be given access to this LMS product. And that's how this sales funnel builder works. We'll eventually be front-ending many other functionalities with the sales funnel builder. So it'll give you onboarding options, sales funnels that will lead to, say, things like an appointment for paid appointments, if that's how you want to work, paid pricing plans, access so that you're creating a SaaS essentially with multiple pricing levels. We'll front end proposals with this so that you can onboard directly to a proposal. We'll front end work requests with this. So as the iterations go by, you'll be able to use the Sales Funnel Builder if you have access to it through the Prime Bundle for a variety of onboarding techniques using strategies that involve various parts of the platform. So congratulations to the many, many people who have purchased the Prime Bundle. I know this will be quite useful to you, and it'll get more and more useful over time, in addition to the other features that will be released as part of the Prime Bundle. So thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.